Hello, my name is Jonny at UC Today, and welcome to our video discussion on Webex Calling and PureIP's brand new partnership. To answer these questions and many more, I'm joined by Diana Florea, Director of Technical Solutions at PureIP, and Adam Gent, Program Manager at Webex Calling. Hello, guys.
Hello.
Hey, Jonny.
So let's dive straight in, if we may. First question to you, Adam. Can you give us an overview of Webex Calling and Cloud Connect?
Sure. So Webex Calling at its heart is an enterprise-grade telephony system, which also leverages Webex for messaging and meetings to give a user and enterprise all the features they need to communicate and run within their business. It's designed to work for a small local business with a couple of users up to multinational enterprises located around the world. And it's designed to adapt to the modern world, as we've seen with people working from home or in an office. You can easily move from one to the other with a range of endpoints, be it an IP phone that people are used to using, to a headset and a webcam, even to a full massive meeting room for when you do go into the office. And it's designed at the heart to really give you everything you need, whether you need 3 basic features or hundreds that are there. And as part of this, we need to deliver PSTN, good old traditional calling into the platform. And for that, we have the Cloud Connect for Webex Calling program, which PureIP is a part of. And that's a program that ensures that providers, when they connect into Webex, can deliver calls to any part of our product, be that a contact center taking high volumes of calls, or to a Cisco managed call manager under our dedicated instance banner that gives you all those features you would expect from an on-premise call manager. So we're delighted to have PureIP as part of that solution. Their reach is phenomenal for our partners, giving us one partner to really power multiple countries for single customers.
That sounds like a very flexible partnership and very lucrative by the sounds of things. So moving on to question 2 for Diana, you've recently announced you're now a Cloud Connect partner. What does this mean for PureIP?
It means exactly what Adam said, that we are now a Webex Cloud Connect provider, and our customers can now purchase numbers from PureIP to be used with Webex, other multi-tenant platforms, dedicated instances, or contact center high volume numbers, as Adam explained. We can provide PSTN replacement numbers for Webex calling, PSTN calling, in 48 countries. What does that mean? It means in those particular countries, we can provide new numbers and we can support number portability. And also the customers can dial emergency services and any other numbers that are only accessible from within those countries. Besides that, we will also be able to provide additional numbers, what are called like service numbers, in other countries to be used either mainly with contact center or as access, so mainly for inbound calling rather than full PSTN replacement. This is a service we provide to all of our customers. So as Adam said, either small or big enterprise customers. And what is interesting, and I think customers will be interested to know, is that for all calls between Webex and PureIP, the signaling and the media also traverses private interconnect. So private point-to-point connections that we provided in all regions, in 4 different regions, Americas, Europe, Asia, and Australia. So nothing goes over the public internet, everything goes over a private point-to-point connection between us.
Wow, so that's quite a reach. Adam, can I ask you, can you give us some more information on what customers can expect with Webex calling?
Sure. So as I mentioned, Webex Calling is an enterprise-grade solution, and as part of that, you want to be able to seamlessly move to Webex Calling. There's nothing worse than coming in and having a call cut off midway, or on a Monday, calling just not working. So for us, we tried really hard to make that migration process as smooth as possible. Be that, as I said, for the small business, or people who have complex call manager networks in their own offices, their own data centers. And we can translate all that, especially the big call managers, into our dedicated instance offering, which Cisco helped to manage. We ensure the platform and is powered by the same providers as Webex Calling. So we ensure that whatever we give for the big customers, we also make sure it's there for the small ones as well. And Through PureIP's reach and their current customer base, working with enterprises and businesses on-premise, being able to keep that same provider while moving to the cloud just makes that process so much simpler. You don't have to wait for numbers to port or change, and we can just keep that cutover as seamless as possible. No need to do a massive overnight move. We can phase it, we can move it bit by bit, but we can make that as simple as possible. And of course, that's all powered by the Cisco networking as well, and the decades that we've had in ensuring connectivity between offices and cloud platforms.
Sounds quite powerful as well, and it's all about integration these days, isn't it? Number 4, to Diana. From a customer point of view, what does the process look like for moving to Webex calling with PureIP?
It is actually a very, very simple process. And as Adam said, if you're already a PureIP customer, you already have numbers with PureIP, and you already have them routed to a different platform, an on-prem platform, it's very easy to migrate them to the cloud. You can do them one by one. You can do all numbers in one go. Or if you don't have already numbers with PureIP, but you want to port the numbers, you can port them from a different provider to PureIP, and we'll route them to Webex. The same if you want new numbers or you open a new office, it's a very simple process. What customers need to do, they would contract directly with PureIP. They would then either using our customer portal or going through their dedicated account manager, they would purchase the desired amount of numbers and channels in each region. And then those numbers, they would go into the control hub, and they would upload those numbers to the control hub and configure them as desired, either assign them to users or to contact center or whatever their use is for those numbers. Once a user is properly licensed and gets a PureIP number assigned, they will be able to immediately make and receive inbound calls and outbound calls. And all those calls will be routed over PureIP. So it is as simple as that. Purchase the numbers, upload them to Control Hub, start using the service.
Nice and easy. Well, thank you very much. That's all we have time for today. If you'd like to know more about what Webex Calling and PureIP are up to, go to www.pure-ip.com/Webex. That's pure-ip.com/Webex. My thanks to Diana Florea, Director Technical Solution at PureIP. Thank you.
Thank you.
And Adam Gent, Program Manager at Webex Calling. Thank you, Adam.
And thanks to Jonny and Diana for all of the assistance.
No problem, and thanks to everyone for watching. If you've enjoyed today's video, please hit the subscribe below and also give us a shout out on the socials. I'm Jonny Wills from UC Today, and catch you soon for more on the UC&C space. Thank you.